A drone flies 100 meters at an angle of 315 degrees measured counterclockwise from the positive x-axis. What are the east and north components of its displacement? In order to visualize this problem, we'll graph it. 315 degrees from the positive x-axis wraps it all the way around, and the drone will be flying in this direction. In order to find the east and north components of its displacement, we can form a right triangle with its flight. The east component of the displacement is equal to the x component, and this can be found by multiplying the magnitude of the displacement by cosine of theta. The north component is equal to the y component of the displacement and can be found by multiplying the magnitude of the displacement times sine of theta. We know that they are cosine sine because we are measuring relative to the positive x-axis. If this was relative to the y-axis, they would be flipped. Now plugging into the equations, our east component dx is equal to 100 times cosine of our angle theta, 315 degrees. And this is equal to 70.7 meters. Our north component, dy, is equal to 100 times sine of our angle theta, which is 315 degrees, and is equal to a negative 70.7 meters. Here it makes sense that the north component is negative because it's actually flying south in the negative y direction. So our final answer is that the east component is equal to 70.7 meters, and the north component is equal to a negative 70.7 meters. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what topics you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.